Why Duterte? Because I've never seen this much passion in a public servant, no? Who's running for president.
Ako, si Rudy Duterte, anak ng Mindanao, sa ako ng presidente.
I will break up this government and form a government that is responsive to the people of the Philippines.
Most of the time, ang nakikita ko, puro all talk, full of promises, but they don't deliver.
Support me if I win, and I will give you a new and clean government. Maraming. Mabuhay ang Pilipino!
This man, yeah, he doesn't really talk that nice, but kita mo naman, Exhibit A is Davao. I've been to Davao so many times, I've never felt that safe. Masasabi ko lang, sa panahon ngayon ng ginagamit masyado ang kahirapan ng mga tao, ginagamit masyado ang kawalang boses natin. Masyado tayo na-exploit ng mga politiko, and now there's this someone who's just willing to be the voice para sa ating lahat. Who's willing to be our kakampi. And we need that person. Kailangan natin ng kakampi na nasa tama. That's why I am for him, because ang cause niya ay ang Pilipino. Cause niya tayong lahat. Mapabuti ang buhay ng bawat isa sa atin. Hindi lang ang piling ilan. I'm Aisa Sigera. I am a Filipino, and my president is Duterte.